In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate risk on Ctrader. Before we start, a quick refresher. When traders talk about risk, they mean the amount of money you're willing to lose if your stop loss is hit. Ctrader makes this very clear in your account currency, so you can make decisions confidently without doing manual conversions. Begin by opening a chart in Ctrader for the instrument you want to trade. Make sure you're looking at the symbol you plan to place an order on, and zoom or adjust the time frame so you can clearly see recent highs and lows. This helps you choose a logical level for your stop loss in the next steps. Next, click Buy or Sell to open the order panel. Don't worry, clicking here only opens the panel and prepares the order. It doesn't place a live trade until you confirm. This panel is where you'll set your risk parameters and preview the outcome before committing. Now turn the stop loss option on. When you enable it, Ctrader adds a stop loss field in the order panel and displays a stop loss line on the chart. Using a stop loss is essential for risk management because it defines exactly where your trade will exit if the market moves against you. With the stop loss enabled, place it directly on the chart by dragging the stop loss line to your chosen level. For a buy order, that's typically below your entry. For a sell order, it's usually above. As you drag, Ctrader shows the stop price and the distance from your entry, often in both price and pips. Choose a level that makes sense technically, beyond a recent swing or structure point, so the stop isn't too tight or unrealistically far. As soon as your stop loss is positioned, Ctrader instantly calculates and shows your risk in your account currency in the order panel. This number reflects how much you stand to lose if the stop is hit at your current position size. You'll see it update live as you move the stop loss line closer or farther from your entry, and it's automatically converted based on the instrument's pip value and your account currency. This makes it easy to align the potential loss with your personal risk limit. You'll notice the figure also depends on your trade size, so the displayed amount represents the real monetary exposure for the setup you're viewing. That's all there is to it. Open a chart, open the order panel, turn on your stop loss, drag it to the right place, and read the risk right in the panel. Use this workflow before placing any trade so every position is planned, measured, and aligned with your risk management rules.